Most of the time for this peanut butter ramen with beef is spent boiling the eggs, and if you boil them ahead of time, then this meal can be ready in as little as 15 minutes. We've got some great shortcuts, such as using some instant noodles and some deli sliced beef. It's a super quick recipe and it's extra tasty. We're going to start by boiling the eggs, so place 4 eggs in a medium saucepan and cover with cold water. Then bring to the boil and simmer for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, place the eggs in a bowl of water with ice and allow to cool for 5 minutes. Then we want to peel the eggs. I like to roll them on the work surface to break the shell all over. And put them to one side for later. Now we're going to make the ramen. So add a tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a large saucepan and heat over a medium heat until the butter melts. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger and stir together, frying for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Now add 1.4 litres, which is about 6 cups of beef stock, along with 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of sriracha, a tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Stir everything together and bring it to the boil. Now we're going to add the noodles from 3 70-gram packs of instant noodles. We're not including the flavour packets here. Bring it to the boil and simmer for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to separate the noodles. Now we're going to add 100 grams or 3½ ounces of peppered beef slices that have been sliced into thin strips. Allow to cook for a further 30 seconds just to heat that beef through, and then we're ready to serve. Use a set of tongs to divide the noodles between 4 bowls. Then ladle the sauce over the noodles and arrange the beef on top. Add on some strips of thinly sliced carrot. Slice those eggs in half and add 2 halves to each bowl. Then we're also going to sprinkle on some chopped spring onions, some sesame seeds and chilli flakes. We've got the smooth creaminess of that peanut butter and that hint of spice from the sriracha. This is a brilliant way to up the game on those instant noodles. See you next time.